Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in IITJAM 2020. So our question is, if Sn is equals to minus 1 to power n upon 2n plus 1 and Tn is equals to minus 1 to the power n upon 4n minus 1, where n is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on, then which of the following is correct? Here, these two sequences are alternating sequence. So by Leibniz test, we can say this and this both sequences are convergent. But we have to find this is absolutely or conditionally convergent. So for this, we have to take the mod of this and solve. So first we take Sn, mod of Sn, that is equals to mod of minus 1 to the power n upon 2n plus 1. And we have to see the sequence is convergent or not. So by ratio test we can see this. So what is ratio test? If an plus 1 upon limit n tends to infinity, an plus 1 upon an is less than 1 upon 2, then it is convergent. If it is it is less than 1, then it is convergent, and if it is greater than 1, then it is divergent. So here we see what is there. So what is an plus 1 upon an minus 1 to the power n plus, what is this? If we take mod of this, what we get? 1 upon 2n plus 1. We have to see the series convergence of this series. So an plus 1 upon an, what we get? Which is equals to, if we take 2n common, 1 plus 1 upon 2n upon 2n, 2 plus 1 upon 2n. So at limit n tends to infinity, I missed this here also, limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity, this is cancelled, it is 0 and it is also 0. So it's become limit n tends to infinity, 2n 1 plus 1 upon 2n upon 2n, 2 plus 1 upon 2n is equals to 1 upon 2, which is less than 1. So by ratio test, this is convergent. So if the mod of the alternating series is convergent, then the series is absolutely convergent. So option A is correct. Now we'll see the second option, Tn, that is minus 1 to the power of n upon 4n. So if we take the mod of the series become mod of minus 1 to the power n upon 4n minus 1, which is equals to 1 upon 4n minus 1. So by comparison test, limit comparison test, we can say this series is divergent. If we take un is equals to 1 upon 4n minus 1 and vn is equals to 1 upon n, then by p series test, this is divergent. So if we compare this un upon limit n tends to infinity, un upon vn, this is what? 1 upon 4n minus 1 upon 1 upon n, which is equals to n upon n 4 minus 1 upon n, which is equals to 1 upon n, which is what? Non-zero, positive value. So the behavior of this series is equals to behavior of this series. So this is divergent. So by p series test, so this is also divergent. If the mod of the series is divergent, so this alternating series is what? Conditionally convergent. So option D is also correct. So this is a MSQ type question. Two options are correct. So A and D options are right. This is a solution of required question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.